Tonkatsu, this is how we eat in the new normal. So, for order, you keep the distance. Isa-isa. Before, upon entry, you have to sign up your name, your place, your contact number, and the temperature taken. And after you have signed in the attendance sheet, then you could pwede na kayong umorder. And then after that, ihahatid na yung pagkain sa inyo, pero hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng katabi, so isa-isa. Lahat ng seats, isa-isa po. Individual lang po. So ayun, ito po talaga yung new normal. Siguro magtatagal pa to. So this is how you eat. Kahit merong mga kasama, hiwa-hiwalay po talaga. So until next time, see you.